Hey guys, this is Pranay and today we'll talk about what is deforestation. Deforestation is when forests are cut and not replanted. They remove the trees and use the land to make farms. They also use the wood from the trees to make buildings or to burn the trees for heat. Just burn, slash and burn. Burn. And what causes deforestation? Only one thing, and that's we, the humans. In 1 year, both 130 million babies are born and 3 to 6 billion trees are cut down. These statistics are evidence of the increase in world population over the past years and the increase in the amount of trees cut down. With more people being born each day, there is a larger need for food and land to support these people. This results in the deforestation of acres of tree coverage each second. Every second, a slice of rainforest the size of a football field, approximately 7,100 meters square, is mowed down. That's 86,400 football fields of rainforest per day, or over 31 million football fields of rainforest each year. Oh my god. Transpiration is the process where plants absorb water through the roots and then give off water vapor through pores in their leaves. Transpiration is really important for the balance of water in the atmosphere and in the ground. And if there are no trees, that is, if the humans keep on cutting the trees, an area which had a lot of greenery at some point of time would become a barren land with drought, dust and dryness. Not at all good. Trees take carbon from the atmosphere through photosynthesis in order to make energy. This carbon is then transferred into oxygen and released into air by the process of respiration. We humans respire oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The absence of trees would result in significantly higher amounts of carbon dioxide in the air and lower amounts of oxygen. Carbon dioxide absorbs a lot of heat, which rises the temperature of the earth. It's so hot in here! The worst effect of the rising of the temperature of the earth is global warming. Global warming is actually the rise of temperature of the earth. And if the temperature of the earth keeps on rising, a point will come when the ice caps of our earth will start to melt. And if the ice caps melt, the water level will obviously increase and cause widespread floods all over the world, in all major continents. The humans are actually the silliest creatures in this context. Like, we cut trees, manufacture paper from those trees, and at last, in big protests and rallies, we write "Save trees, save life" on that paper? Come on man, seriously? Save trees. But at least it's not paper. It's reusable, come on. Save trees.